Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today we have this delicious looking Jamaican style peppered shrimps. The first thing we're going to do is get our shrimps cleaned up. Now I'm going to go ahead with my scissors and just start. I like to trim off the little legs and like I don't know what they call it, all tassel things at the front of their head. Cut off the just above below the eye, and there's a little sharp bit just above the eye. I do like to go ahead and cut those off. Now to devein your shrimp, now when I'm making pepper shrimp, I do like a full coverage of the shell, so I do go in with a toothpick or a fork and just pull that vein out. Just do it slowly and it should just come out in one bit. If it doesn't come out, you can go ahead and where you see, like, I don't know what these are called, the joints or the sections, I don't know what they're called, you know, just go ahead and just use your toothpick or your fork to pick at this and just pull that vein right out of there. Once you've done this, you want to go ahead and give your shrimps a good wash. Now just a little bit of vinegar in water or lemon juice should do the trick. Don't use too much because, you know, especially because they're acidic, they will start cooking the shrimp. Just a little bit. Give them a good wash just in case there's any residue left on there. The water will remove them. Now once this is done, we are ready to cook our shrimp. So in a pan, I'm going to saute some butter. I have 2 cloves of crushed garlic. I have some thyme. My thyme is frozen and my Scotch bonnet pepper is frozen, because you know when you buy these things and before they go off, I do just put them in the freezer. You want to saute this for about a minute or so. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a fish stock cube. Give this a good mix. Make sure all that flavor is just distributed all over the pan. You want to go ahead now and add your shrimp. Now this is completely optional. I did go in with a little bit of egg powder just to enhance the color a little bit. Give that a good mix in. Then I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of my cock soup powder. Minus the noodles, I'm gonna go ahead and add some pimento seeds, and also I'm gonna crush a scallion and just add about a quarter cup, just under quarter cup of water. Turn this, give this a good mix, cover, and just let this simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes, and your pepper shrimp should be ready. Now you can use as much or as little pepper as you want, but you know, so it's pepper shrimp, so we're gonna add you can add as much or as little. I only went in with a little bit of pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, because these pepper them come from Jamaica and they're very, very hot. So baby, we're not burning up around here, so just do it according to how you like it. I mean, it's pepper shrimp, so I don't want to tell you to leave out the pepper, but you know, if you have to, the other ingredients will just give you a really good flavor anyway. But as I said before, pepper shrimp, so pepper's supposed to in there. And after this time, just keep giving them a good little mix. Make sure the juices are just all distributed and your peppered shrimp should be ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video if possible. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about my Jamaican style pepper shrimp recipe. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.